Hello guys, let me show you guys how I make this creamy hair grow moisturizing using all natural ingredients that you can get from any local store or online. And without further ado, let's get started. So you're gonna need these three powerful ingredients. This is flaxseed, chia seeds, and aloe vera. So you would need 2 tablespoons of chia seed. Soak it in 16 ounces of fluid. Allow the chia seed to sweat and releases his gel before straining. So I'll go ahead and cut my aloe vera and soak it in water between 30 minutes to 3 hours or until you are ready to use it. So I'll go ahead and prep my flaxseed gel. I'm using 1/4 cup flaxseed gel and a few bay leaf, 2 cinnamon stick, and then I will break it in there. And then I will use a handful of hibiscus flower, 1 handful and just a pinch of it. And then I will have my rosemary, a scoop of rosemary, dry rosemary leaf, and then I will have a black seed, a scoop of black seed. I will add that to it. And then I will go ahead and add in 3 cups of water. So when I pour in the water wasn't enough. It didn't cover the whole of the product. So I went ahead to get extra 1 cup of water. So the water covered all the ingredients, and now I'm just stirring it and mixing it up. And then I'm still checking on my chia seed. My chia seed is not ready yet. As you can see, it's still watering. So my flaxseed is cooking, but it's still running. It's not dripping. This is how you know that your flaxseed is not ready yet. So right now it's fully cooked, fully boiled for like between 15 to 20 minutes, and it's dripping. This is how you know that your flaxseed is ready. When it's dripping like this, slowly dripping like this, then it's time to take it off the fire and strain it. When you do it this way, it will be so easy for you to strain without hassle. As you can see, the way it's just coming out of the old stuff. Just straining makes it so easy when you are cooking your flaxseed. Just let the water drip, test and see. When it's dripping, then you know it's ready. So once it's getting cooler, the flaxseed will be getting thicker. Right now it's still dripping, it's not thick right now, but you can see that it's getting cooler and it's getting thicker. So as you can see, that my chia seed are fully swirled, and you can see the gel right now. So I'll go ahead and extract my aloe vera gel and my chia seed gel. So I'll cut my aloe vera both sides and just extract my gel just like this. So after extracting my gel, I will just go ahead and use my emerge a blender, my hand blender. Just use it to break it down and blend it so that you'll be able to get the gel out of it. As you can see, this is the gel. This is what I'm looking for. So after I finish blending the aloe vera, so I'll go ahead and blend my chia seed, because there is no way you can extract chia seed gel without blending it. I have tried it 3 times just without blending it. I wasn't able to get the gel out of it. It was just too sticky. But when you blend it, it'll be so easy to extract. So I went ahead to combine the 3 gel together, the aloe vera and then the chia seed. First, it is the aloe vera gel that I'm adding into the flaxseed gel. And now it is the chia seed gel I'm extracting. You can see how easy the gel is just coming out. So if you want to extract your chia seed, you have to blend it. That's the only way you can get this much gel out of the chia seed. So you can see that my cream, my hair cream, it's water rich, you know. It's got water and it's got gel. It's got nutrients, not just water, but it has all the nutrients that can actually enhance hair growth. So the hibiscus is what gives this reddish color, which I really love. So I don't want to use everything, so I'll go ahead and just freeze almost all of it, you know. So I'll just put the cover on it and put it in my freezer so that whenever I'm ready to use it, then I can always take 2 or 3. This way I'll be able to preserve my product so that it can last long. So this is what is left, about 1 cup and a little bit. So I'll go ahead and just mix my oil base. So I'm using shea butter, about 5 ounces of shea butter. So to combine the liquid and the oil together, I'm using a beeswax. Yellow beeswax I'm using to combine the water, the gel, and then the oil together. So I went ahead to mix my shea butter and the beeswax together and let it cool down. Then I'll start adding my oil. This is the vitamin E oil, about 1.1 ounce. And then I'll add my extra virgin olive oil, about 1 ounces. And then I'll add my lavender oil. And then I'll also go ahead and add in my rose hip oil. And then I'll have my lavender essential oil, about 1 drop, rosemary essential oil. And then I'll go ahead and add tea tree oil, about 3 drops or so, to also preserve the product. And then I'll have vanilla essential oil just to give it a good smell. I think I add about 4 or 5 drops of it just to have that soft smell, you know. So this is all the oil. So now it's time to combine the oil and the gel together. So I'm just combining them. As you can see, the oil started to solidify with the help of the beeswax. So right now I'm still putting it together, and then I'll just go ahead and use my Emerge blender to just blend until it fully mixed together, just like this. And it's giving that pink color that is so beautiful, and I really like it. I love it. So if you enjoy watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. So I'll go ahead and just put it in the container. As you can see, if you enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and loved ones, and let them learn how to make their home hair cream or natural that will not break their hair, that will not shed their hair. You can actually use this product in so many ways. You can use it to prepare your hair. You can use it to deep condition your hair. You can use it to moisturize your hair. You can use it in so many ways that I'll be showing you guys ways that I use my product. So because I don't have no preservative in this, so I will just put all of it in the refrigerator. I will freeze the one that I don't use. The one that I'm using, it will be in the refrigerator. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If this video is educative, please give it a thumbs up, share, like, and comment. Bye.